Our company, Shadow Profile, has developed a concealed installation door with a shadow gap. In this video, we will look at the installation of the door itself, how it will be mounted into the construction opening, and how the shadow profile will adjoin the door. In fact, the door itself arrives at the site in this condition. It comes pre-assembled, meaning it includes the aluminum frame and the door leaf, already attached to the hinges. It also comes with a set of hardware. The standard kit includes installation instructions, mounting aluminum brackets, and decorative covers for the hinges for a high-quality installation. So, we unpack the door, remove the transport bar, and align the door unit with the plane of the wall. An important point is that the door unit comes pre-assembled with the door leaf. This helps eliminate errors in geometry when installing the door frame. Next, we mark the positions for the aluminum mounting brackets. We remove the door unit and securely fasten the brackets with self-tapping screws or dowel nails into the door opening. It is very important to place them evenly around the perimeter of the opening, since they are the load-bearing element and the entire weight of the door is distributed onto them. After that, we attach the door unit itself to this solid, reliable base. Next, we fill the gap around the perimeter of the opening with mounting foam. We install the shadow profile. To ensure it is securely fixed, we recommend additionally fastening the profile to the door frame itself with self-tapping screws. We fill the cavity around the perimeter of the opening with either drywall, plaster, or putty. And then we apply the final finish, either paint or decorative plaster. This is what the final result of the door looks like once installed. You can see that any decorative finish can be applied to the door leaf. In this case, it's decorative plaster. There is a visible gap around the perimeter. Here we have an edge from the frame and from the door leaf. You can paint over it to create a thinner gap, which will look more graphic. But most importantly, the main reason this door was developed is the shadow gap on the door leaf itself. It was crucial to ensure a seamless transition of the shadow gap from the wall to the door without any bridges or modifications, so that it would be a complete factory-made solution.